What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something super exciting. I'll give you a small hint.
ET.
That's right, I've got the ET from Ecomobl. I just picked it up from my UPS hub and I have not opened this at all by any means. This is all sealed from the factory. So that being said, let's get into it. Let me whip it around so you guys can. All right, let's see what we got in here. Extra grip tape, extra airless tires, 2 board savers, 2 foot straps, a little book of what the board is and how to set up the remote, a little Ecomobl box, which has a shirt, remote charging cable, tool, extra bolts and nuts, another tool, charger, remote, and the best part. This thing is beautiful. Oh my gosh. So if you're wondering what I'm all excited about, they got my YouTube channel on the bottom. Yes. All right, everybody. That was my unboxing of the Ecomobl ET. Smash that subscribe button, like the video, and stay tuned for a future review. I'll see you in the next one, and as always, ride hard, ride safe.